Sanket here from Pratham Technologies. I'd like to introduce the Outsert Applicator from Pratham Technologies, a machine designed specifically for the pharmaceutical industry. This system can be seamlessly aligned with your existing bottling line. I'll be showcasing the hands-on features shortly. But to give you a quick overview, the machine operates at a speed of 120 outserts per minute. It can be connected and synchronized with your upstream labeling machine and downstream track and trace system. Additionally, we can integrate a vision inspection system to check the track code or pharma code printed on top of the outserts. This helps ensure that only the correct bottles are packed into the final shipper, maintaining compliance and accuracy. If you would like to learn more about how this solution can meet your specific requirements, feel free to connect with our team at Pratham Technologies. We're happy to support you. Thank you.